Today I want to show you a comparison between the Ciro 3D action camera mount and the mount that came with my camera. I got 4 short video clips I'll show you after this, and you can see the vibration difference between the two. Ciro builds a really nice mount. It uses their ball mount system. Here's the first video, running along at highway speeds, 60, 65 mile an hour. You can see the vibration in it. This is with the mount that came with the camera, which looked pretty solid, and I thought it'd do a good job, but it was a little bit tall, and the height on it, I think, made it vibrate back and forth pretty good. You can see, even though this camera's got some of the best image stabilization on the market right now, it still makes a video that you really don't want to watch. Here we are pulling out from a red light just to show you what it does is shifting up through the gears. It shakes pretty bad as you start accelerating. Now you see me with the new Ciro 3D mount on, pulling out a cold block Harley Davidson in Morristown, Tennessee. Looks pretty stable, just idling across the parking lot. We'll get out to the road here. You'll see what it looks like pulling out. You can compare this to the short clip of us pulling out of the red light. Get these couple cars past. Here we go, coming up through the first couple gears. Seems pretty stable. Right there, that's a really rough patch in the highway there. That's what that was. Now we're up to highway speed. Running along again about 65 mile an hour with the new Ciro mount on. And that looks much better. You're not distracted by all the vibration in the video. It does a much better job for us. Ciro did a good job on this mount. It fits the GoPro style mount, which Garmin also shares on their Verb cameras. If you like our videos, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe down below. Hit the little bell and you'll get a notification from YouTube every time we post a new video. We hope you enjoyed this. If you got anything to say or anything about any camera mounts you use, please put it in the comments below.